Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in part 8 of our LA22 series, we begin heading east at the Tangipahoa River. There are 3 separate bridges that cross different channels of the river, 2 of which appear to be dry today. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the unincorporated community of Bedico. There are several competing theories surrounding the origin of the name Bedico. Some linguists have claimed that the name is derived from the Choctaw words Bihi Cheeto, which means big mulberry land in the Choctaw language. In the late 1790s, a nobleman named Michael Betancourt seized 270 acres for the Baron of Carondelet, which included Bedico Creek and the surrounding area. Some historians have claimed that the community is named after the Betancourt family of French-Norman origin. A third theory claims that the early Spanish Catholic missionaries named the community after the Order of St. Benedict. Personally, I think it was named for the Behemoth Diaphragm Company, but that's just me. As we leave Bedico, we enter St. Tammany Parish. St. Tammany was founded in 1810 and is the fifth most populous parish in Louisiana with an estimated 260,419 residents as of 2019. The population of St. Tammany Parish increased both with an influx of New Orleans area residents after Hurricane Katrina in 2005, as well as the relocation of Chevron Oil Company's regional corporate headquarters from New Orleans to an office park outside of Covington. The parish's public schools are consistently rated as among the highest in the state of Louisiana. We conclude today's video as we enter the town of Madisonville. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.